Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your affiliate spreadsheets in Microsoft OneDrive. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing affiliate spreadsheet. Once your spreadsheet is ready, click on File in the top left corner. From the menu that appears, select Save As. Choose OneDrive from the list of locations. If prompted, sign in to your Microsoft account to access OneDrive. Select the folder in OneDrive where you want to save your spreadsheet. You can also create a new folder by clicking on New Folder if needed. Enter a name for your spreadsheet in the File Name field. Click Save to upload the spreadsheet to OneDrive. To ensure your spreadsheet is backed up, open OneDrive in a web browser. Log in to your Microsoft account if you aren't already. Navigate to the folder where you saved your spreadsheet. Verify that your file is listed among the uploaded documents. Now, you can access this spreadsheet from any device with internet access. To further secure your backup, consider setting OneDrive to sync files automatically. Open the OneDrive application on your computer. Right-click the OneDrive icon in the Notifications area. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings window, select the Account tab. Make sure your desired folders are selected for backup. Click OK to apply any changes you've made. You have now successfully backed up your affiliate spreadsheets in OneDrive. Regularly check that your files are syncing properly to ensure updates are saved. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.